Gateway. The gateway is generally known as a hardware interface that converts information and data from one protocol to another protocol. The hardware device called router, which works in the network layer of OSI model architecture, performs this function of a gateway. Gateway is a hardware device that acts as a gate between separate networks. Several hardware devices can be used as a gateway, as router, firewall, server that enables traffic to flow in and out of the network. Let us understand the concept of gateway with this example. Assume there are two separate networks of 5 computers in each of those. Those 5 computers can communicate and share their resources among themselves, but any computer of network A cannot send or receive data from the computer of network B. Therefore, the router is connected with those two networks through its interface port. Now, when a computer of a particular network has to communicate with another computer of different network, then the data packets will go through those interface ports of the router from one network to another network. If a computer of network A has to receive data packet from any computer of network B, then the router interface port 0/0 will be the gateway for all connected computers in network A, and when the computer of network B will receive data from network A, then the router interface port 0/1 will be the gateway for all connected computers in network B. Therefore, each and every interface ports of the router which is connected with the networks must have a unique IP addresses, and those IP addresses must be of same network to which the interface port is connected through. Now the gateway addresses is required to be assigned to all computers as its IP address parameter for that device to be recognized across all networks.